everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to give somebody a host in your meeting in Google Meet. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see at the left side of the screen you have the options to either create a new meeting or to join a meeting using a code or a link. So guys, if you want to join somebody else's meeting, all you have to do is paste right here the code or link they have sent you, and then you will be able to click this join button right here, and then you will successfully join their meeting. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and click the new meeting button. And after clicking new meeting guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you can either create a meeting for later or schedule it in Google Calendar, or you can start an instant meeting. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and click on start instant meeting. I'm going to allow everything, and now as you can see my meeting has successfully started. Here I can see my screen that I'm sharing. I'm currently not sharing the screen, so that's why you cannot see anything. So guys, let's go into the participants tab right here, the lower bottom corner, and click show everyone, and now this will open up this new people list where you can see everybody who is in the meeting. As you can see, I'm the only person currently in the meeting guys, so I'm going to be showing on myself, but it will work for anybody that is in the meeting. So guys, the first thing you have to do is go right here again to the lower right corner and click this option called host controls. Click on host controls guys, and now you want to go ahead and enable this host management option. Enabling host management option guys, now we can give host to somebody else. So we want to go ahead and close out of this, and then again go ahead and open up the participants tab. And now guys, you want to go ahead and find the person that you want to make host, and you will see these three dots right next to their name. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and click these three dots next to their name, and this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have the option that says make them host or make them co-host, something like that. You want to go ahead and click on that option right there guys, and after that you will successfully give the host to them, and they will be able to host the meeting that you are in. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.